Welcome, creative minds. From crafting captivating visuals for games, movies, or advertising to prototyping products for manufacturing, 3D models stand as the backbone of modern creativity. And guess what? With the power of AI, delving into this realm has become more accessible than ever before. In today's video, I'll guide you through the process of creating your very own stunning 3D model using the magic of AI. No need for complex software or technical jargon, just your imagination and the tools I'm about to unveil. Are you ready to unlock the door to your creative potential? Let's dive in. Introducing Maisie, an exceptional 3D model creator AI tool. From modeling to texturing, these avant-garde tools will supercharge your 3D workflow. You can generate 3D models from text prompts, turn 2D images into 3D wonders, and even indulge in AI texturing. Forget spending days in complex software like Blender. Maisie can do it at the speed of light, automatically generating customized and realistic textures with PBR maps. To access Maisie AI, simply open your browser and search for Maisie AI. Click on the first result, then hit Try Maisie for free. Create an account or connect with your Google account to receive 200 free credits every month. If you need more, additional credits are available for purchase. Explore the showcased models on the page, showcasing AI texture models, AI texturing, text to 3D, and image to 3D. The left tool panel offers a list of Maisie tools, including AI texturing, text to 3D, and image to 3D. Let's try the text to 3D model generator. Enter a simple text prompt, add any negative prompts, choose a seed number for continuous generation, and hit generate. Maisie will create 3D models at lightning speed. Download your preferred model, refine it with a 3D editor like Blender, or use Maisie for quick refinement. Next, let's generate a more detailed model with specific prompts associated with a fantastic phoenix fox. The results are breathtaking. Maisie AI truly excels in creating intricate 3D models in no time. But what if you have a 2D image and want to convert it into a 3D model? Maisie's got you covered. Use the Image to 3D tool, enter the model name, upload a front-facing image with a transparent background, and hit Generate. Maisie AI transforms your 2D image into a detailed 3D model with color, metallic, roughness, and normal maps. Now, creating textures for any model can be laborious, but Maisie AI simplifies it. Explore the AI texturing tool, create a project, upload your 3D model, input text prompts, choose an art style, customize settings, and hit Generate. Maisie AI will generate stunning textures and necessary maps for you. In conclusion, Maisie AI is a true AI assistant for anyone working with 3D. If you're curious about automatically rigging these AI-generated 3D models, let me know in the comments and I'll make a detailed video on it. Share your experiences and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more fantastic tutorials. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy creating.